What is up guys, my name is Salhan, you're watching Gadgets Sphere. So this is the Redmi Note 10. So I have been using this since around like a month and now. And in today's video I'm going to do the full review of this smartphone, how well this smartphone is, what are the things which I absolutely love in this. So number one is its display. So the price you pay for the display you get is absolutely awesome. It is a Super AMOLED display, and you know what, the viewing angles are just fantastic. So if I just increase the brightness to 100%, as you guys can see, and look at the viewing angles, you can view the display from every corner, and that is one of the best things in this smartphone. So yeah, the viewing angles are awesome. Look at that. So that's one thing. So in terms of the display, this is one of my favorite smartphones you can get under the price you're paying. So now let's just talk about the cameras. Here we have a hole punch camera setup, and on the back we have the 4 quad camera setup. We have a 48 megapixel main sensor combined with a 8 megapixel ultra wide, and you know what, the photos it takes are awesome, literally awesome. So let me just take an image of my watch I have right now. Here's the watch I have. Let's just take a nice image of this watch. So yeah, let's just take in from 2x zoom. There you go. And okay, as you guys can see, the image is absolutely awesome. It's pretty sharp. Look at the background detail. Like, look at the blur in the background. It looks very, very nice. So in terms of the image quality, this is one of the best smartphones you can get. It has a very nice sensor. You can record videos in not only 1080p at 30 fps, but also in 4K at 30 fps. That is awesome. It can also record for 1080p at 60 fps, which is very smooth. Like, look at that. Then it can also record at 60, like 4K. The 4K video recording is basically like the highest quality of video you can shoot from your smartphone. Kind of amazing. It's really awesome. And in terms of the speaker, it has stereo speakers. So we have speaker at the top as well as at the bottom. And you know what? The sound quality is really awesome. So in this, if you will watch movies, like if you play games like this and do the volume to 100%, then you know, like footsteps playing PUBG or BGMI, you will get the footsteps from this side as well as from this side. So it will give you a very nice 3D immersive gaming experience. So yeah, in terms of gaming, it is a good phone. It plays PUBG in smooth and ultra graphics without any problem, and you know what, it just never lags. It's very, very smooth. So in terms of that also, it's one of the best smartphones. So now let's just talk about the build quality. And this smartphone is built out of glass, and I have just applied a lamination here so that it doesn't get scratches in the back. But other than that, it's full glass body designed with a plastic frame, and you know what, it looks very nice. The design is very nice. It's very reflective, and here we have the Redmi branding. Overall, it is one of the most beautiful looking smartphones like I ever owned, because I have Note 7 Pro. It's kinda good, but this is more beautiful. It looks very, very nice. And if you use it in public, like wow, you can actually show off if you want to, but yeah, it's a very nice smartphone in that. And yeah, overall the software in this is MIUI. It runs MIUI. It is one of the latest versions. We have the MIUI 12.5.3, and I think it also has a software update which we will do later, so not right now. And you can also customize it. Here is the font. Look at that. I have just changed the font style and it looks very, very nice. So overall, it's a complete smartphone. I love it. It is very smooth. Scrolling here and there using the UI is very smooth. Camera is nice. Takes some pretty decent images. App opening speed is also very good. I have no complaints with that. And on top of that, the Super AMOLED display with dual speakers is one of the perfect combinations you can get. So what's my take on this? Should you buy this or not? I think it is actually a very good smartphone to buy under this price range. So yeah, you should definitely check this out if you have the budget of like 13,000 rupees. And yeah, it's pretty, like, it's awesome. It's worth all the money. Battery life is amazing. It has some pretty solid battery life, so I never had any complaints in terms of the battery. So yeah, it's actually worth it. That's pretty much it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I will see you around. Make sure you like this video. The like button is only 40. Make sure you do it. And yeah, subscribe. Just subscribe to support. Thanks for watching. Peace.